Hey guys, Irene here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have another tropical beach behind the scenes video. Hopefully you're not tired of these yet. Today's model is beautiful Kathy and we shot quite a few different looks in some really cool locations. I think you guys will really like this one. So let's get into the video. So I'm thinking, what if we start, maybe even sitting on it somehow? Just find yes. That looks beautiful. Okay, give me just a second to set everything. Oh wow, that looks amazing, actually. Yes, maybe I need to be a little bit higher. There we go. Maybe, you know what, maybe we'll do a shoulder off. Yes. Yeah, I love that. Oh yeah. Love that, that's beautiful. Yeah, that's amazing. Love that. Yeah, you see, you already know what to do, so I don't even have to tell you. Yes. Yeah, that's gorgeous. Yeah, that's beautiful. What if we do standing right beside it? Standing. Yes, yes. You can totally kind of lean on it maybe a little bit. Yes, yeah, like that. That's perfect. Yes, exactly. Yes, that's beautiful. That's perfect. Oh, I love that. Yes. I know you guys really like when I show you the editing process, so here is how I edited this set. So I always start my edits in Capture One. I just think they have the best raw processor out there. If you think about it, Adobe, their software is created not just for photographers but for creatives, but Capture One is specifically made for photographers. So their raw processor is just a lot better. They have specific people who actually create these color profiles and do vigorous testing on different cameras. So this is what the Capture One is giving me right away, which looks really great. But what I really love is that you can actually go ahead and experiment with other color profiles. So for example, if you really like your old Canon DSLR colors, you can go here and choose something like the 5D Mark IV. Here's the colors from that. I think that looks really great. Looks really colorful. The skin tone is really warm, just the standard Canon colors, right? Here's the 5D Mark III, what I used to use for a really long time. I think it looks great. So I really love this feature, but I think I'm just gonna keep with this just standard or maybe the generic actually looks a little bit better in my opinion, looks a little bit warmer. Okay, and now I'm just gonna do a little bit of adjustments. I'm just gonna bring my shadows up just a tiny bit and the highlights down just a little bit as well, just to kind of neutralize everything before I do my editing. And now after I'm done with this, and by the way, Capture One has so many other amazing features here, but I'm gonna do the rest of the color grading in a Photoshop. first thing I do is I expand the image and then stretch the corners. I will link the tutorial for this in the description. And next, I'm just doing some dodge and burn to clean the skin. I will also include a tutorial for this in the description, as these two techniques are just kind of long to explain in this video. So next, I'm going to duplicate my layer and go into Camera Raw filter. Here, I'm going to apply the preset that I made for this photo shoot. I decided to give this preset for you for free. You can download it in the description, use it, have fun with it, and let me know if you like it. So here's the before and after of the preset. Finally, I did a few more adjustments with selective color and some sharpening, and here's the before and after. Yes. Oh, that's really cool, like when it splashes, really nice. Okay, and let's try one more. Ooh. Ooh, what if you sit right over here, like on the edge? Yes, like so turn around, yes? Yes, exactly. Let me see what it looks like. It might be a little bit too backlit. Let's see. Oh, that's real nice. Actually, if you rotate to the light more, yes. Yes, that's really nice. Oh, that's really cool. Love it. Yes. Yes. Oh, that's beautiful. Love it. That's absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, stay like that, stay like that. Whoa! Yes. That's amazing. Okay, I'm gonna do some close-up. Stay where you are. Maybe, you know, what if you put like a leg? Yes, yes, yes. Mm-hmm. Yes, that's beautiful. That's perfect. Oh, yes, right there. That's gorgeous. I think look slightly more this way, yeah. Yes. Oh. Yes. And let's do maybe a little bit more, like maybe both of the shoulder kind of, yeah, yeah. Yes. I want you like laying on the side, we can choose maybe like a rock, and you can kind of like lay on the side of it kind of thing. Yeah, maybe. Yes, yes. Yeah, just make sure you're comfy. You're not like sitting on it. Yes. And then I want this hair, okay, to cover. Oh, sorry. I'm just gonna move this a little bit. Don't worry. We'll leave it like this for now, then we'll maybe wet it. Okay. Yes, that looks amazing. Yes. Wow. Yes. That's beautiful. Yes, don't be afraid to move. Yes. Yes. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Oh, I love that. I love. Oh, stay like that, please. Don't move, don't move. Wow. Yes, that's absolutely beautiful. Unfortunately, I don't have the behind the scenes from these pictures. In all honesty, I think we forgot to record it, but let me know if you like this look. I was inspired by Brooke Shields in Blue Lagoon, or maybe a mermaid that got washed up on the beach, and I absolutely love the hair. And if you're wondering, yes, they are super long extensions I got off of Amazon. I just love using extensions in my photo shoots, and I think the super long hair just makes the image that much more special.
Diamonds and gold, you wanna sport that. Designer clothes, who gon' support that? Time is money, we'll come and get it.
Now this is the next day in the morning. We checked out a different beach in Manuel Antonio, and I got a few cool shots before the sun got a little bit too crazy. Ooh, what if we do almost like as if you're walking and you're like holding the dress up, and you don't have to actually walk, you can just kind of pretend you're like stepping side to side. Yes, yeah, exactly, exactly. Exactly, yes. Yes.
You make your mind up, give you currency for my love. Give me conversation, we on the road. Yeah, that's sensation. I got plenty more. I need what you got.
Let's do maybe like with your back and looking back at me. Like a simple one, yes. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's beautiful. Oh, I love that.
Let me help you make your mind up. Give you currency for my love. Let me help you make your mind up.
Here's another angle of the beach and the behind the scenes. Realized I had this footage on my phone, so I wanted to share it as well.
Yeah, it's been a while. Fendi house down. We up in the penthouse. You got me aroused. Oh, you like the sound. Oh, you like the sound. Like the sound. Dripping and go now. Just want your soul now. Oh yeah, you so down. You got me so down. You drip
So this is our last location in this video, and unfortunately I have no audio because it sounds like this. Our ears were buzzing after shooting here for just like 10-15 minutes, and also this spot had just so many bugs. It was super sweaty and very uncomfortable. So kudos to our model Kathy. She's a pro, she's amazing. Definitely check out her Instagram. But with all that being said, I think we got some amazing pictures here, so it was all worth it. But that's pretty much it for the video today. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!
My love, wow, look at your smile. Yeah, it's been a while. Fendi house down. We up in the penthouse. You got me aroused. Oh, you like the sound. Oh, you like the sound. Like the sound. Dripping and go.